Sherman, Program Director of KODA-FM, Sunny 99.1 down here in Houston, Texas. And we have been Houston's #1 station for at-work listening for, well, over 10 years now.
Houston's official at-work station, Sunny 99.1.
As our station has naturally evolved to include today's artist, we need a package that fits the music we play. I wanted not only a catchy melody with great tracks, but a strong vocal sound that stands out and gives the station a lift. And of course, a package that sounds great on the air.
Houston's best soft rock with less talk, Sunny 99.1.
We called TM Century and found that the Bright Light package gives us all we need and so much more. We're thrilled with what TM Century created for us, and they're fun to work with, too.
Sunny 99.1.
If you're programming a mainstream adult contemporary station, we strongly recommend Bright Light from TM Century. Have a listen to all 12 cuts in Bright Light. There are alternate holiday versions and free shotgun mixes. Imagine how great it will sound on your station.
Sunny 99.1.
Bright Light. Here's cut 1. Top of hour launch pad with a 60-second bed and a matching 2-punch cut 1A.
The best soft rock, Sunny 99.1.
Transitions cut 2.
Houston's best soft rock with less talk, Sunny 99.1.
And a shotgun version 2A.
Sunny 99.1.
Cut 3.
Houston's best soft rock with less talk, Sunny 99.1.
3A.
Sunny 99.1.
Here's a Christmas version of Cut 3.
Continuous Christmas favorites for the holidays, Sunny 99.1.
There are 6 slogan cuts that can be sung in alternate versions for use as benchmarks. Here's cut 4.
Houston's best soft rock with less talk, Sunny 99.1.
Cut 4A is the short version.
Sunny 99.1.
And here's an alternate sing of cut 4.
Houston's official at-work station, Sunny 99.1.
Cut 5.
Houston's best soft rock with less talk, Sunny 99.1.
Cut 5A.
Sunny 99.1.
And an alternate benchmark sing for the morning show of cut 5.
The best soft rock with Dana and Mark in the morning, Sunny 99.1.
Cut 6.
Houston's best soft rock with less talk, Sunny 99.1.
Cut 6A.
Sunny 99.1.
Here's a seasonal mix of Cut 6.
Continuous Christmas favorites all season long, Sunny 99.1.
Cut 7.
Houston's best soft rock with less talk, Sunny 99.1.
Cut 7A.
Sunny 99.1.
Cut 8.
Houston's best soft rock with less talk, Sunny 99.1.
Cut 8A.
Sunny 99.1.
And here's how Cut 8 could be sung for your seasonal program.
Continuous Christmas favorites for the holidays, Sunny 99.1.
Cut 9 showcases the station's personalities.
Dana and Mark in the morning, Sunny 99.1.
Cut 10.
Houston weather,
A 60-second weather bed with a matching 2-punch cut 10A.
the best soft rock, Sunny 99.1.
Cut 11. Traffic. Cut 12.
Here's what's happening at Sunny.
This bed runs a full 60 seconds and has a matching 2-punch. 12A.
The best soft rock, Sunny 99.1.
Cut 12A can also be produced in an alternate version to highlight specialty programming.
The weekend's best soft rock, Sunny 99.1.
Cut 13 is your news sounder. And Cut 14 is for urgent traffic news. Bright Light.
Exclusively from TM Century.
I'm Mark Sherman from KODA, Houston, Texas. We are proud to be playing TM Century Jingles on Sunny 99.1.
All material copyright TM Century Incorporated, Dallas, Texas, USA.